Wildlife is the beating heart of our natural world, a living network of creatures big and small, silent and loud, seen and unseen. From the deepest oceans to the tallest peaks, wild animals shape the balance of our ecosystems. They live free, guided by instinct and the rhythm of nature. In their world, survival is an art, and every moment is a part of a much greater story. A story of harmony, struggle, beauty, and balance, untouched by human hands, yet deeply connected to us all. Wildlife makes nature beautiful in countless, powerful ways. Their presence fills the world with movement, color, and sound, from the graceful flight of birds and the rustle of animals in the forest, to the songs, calls, and patterns they bring to every landscape. Pollinators help flowers bloom and fruits grow, while grazers shape open plains and forests through their feeding. Predators maintain balance, keeping populations healthy and ecosystems stable. Even the smallest creatures enrich the soil, clean the environment, and help life flourish. Their behaviors, migrations, and interactions create living stories that inspire wonder and connection. Simply by existing and playing their role in the natural cycle, wildlife brings harmony, diversity, and breathtaking beauty to the world around us. Wildlife is defined by its incredible adaptability, resilience, and deep connection to nature. Each creature, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Guided by instinct rather than tools, wild animals survive through natural intelligence, precision, and harmony with their surroundings. Their lives are a blend of mystery, freedom, and beauty, filled with silent struggles, graceful movements, and complex interdependence. Together, they form a living web that supports the health of our planet, reminding us that even the quietest creatures make powerful contributions to the world. The habitat of wildlife refers to the natural environment where animals live, grow, and thrive. These habitats can range from dense forests and open grasslands to vast oceans, deserts, wetlands, and icy mountain regions. Each type of habitat offers specific conditions, such as climate, vegetation, water, and shelter, that support the needs of different species. Wildlife adapts to these surroundings in remarkable ways, shaping their behavior, appearance, and survival strategies. Whether burrowing underground, nesting in trees, or swimming through coral reefs, animals rely on their habitats not just for food and shelter, but also for raising young and finding protection from predators. A healthy habitat means a healthy wildlife population, and protecting these spaces is essential for preserving biodiversity on Earth. Wildlife has a wide variety of diets, depending on the species, habitat, and role in the ecosystem. Some feed on plants, grasses, fruits, seeds, leaves, and tree bark, while others hunt for meat, feeding on other animals, insects, or fish. Many wild creatures are opportunistic, eating whatever is available, like fruits, small animals carrion, or even insects. Some specialize in certain foods, like nectar, tree sap, or plankton. Others, especially scavengers, help clean the environment by feeding on remains left behind. Each diet plays a unique role in nature, helping to control populations, spread seeds, and keep the balance of the food chain intact. Wildlife migrates in remarkable ways, often covering thousands of kilometers across land, air, or sea to survive and thrive. Migration is usually driven by the need for food, breeding, or better weather. Some animals travel in massive groups, following ancient routes passed down through generations. Others journey alone, guided by the stars, the Earth's magnetic field, or changes in temperature and daylight. Birds may fly for days without resting, while marine creatures follow ocean currents or water temperatures. On land, herds move across plains in search of fresh grazing or water. Migration is